Hello, eighth grade. Welcome to the first lecture of the week, chapter 10, lesson 1. We're going to talk about the importance of nutrition today. Again, make sure that you're watching the videos and taking good notes because I'll have questions from each of the lessons on the quiz this Friday. Again, since we didn't have a quiz last Friday, so please make sure that you are taking notes so that you have all the information for the quiz on Friday. Okay, so let's get into it. Okay, food, nutrients, and nutrition. Okay, nutrients are substances in food that your body needs. They help your body build new tissue, repair damaged cells, and produce energy. Calories equal to a certain amount of energy. Okay, so for example, chocolate has a lot of calories but provides few nutrients. Okay. Fruit has low calories but has more nutrients. So just an example, you could think of things that have a lot of calories but they're not very nutritious for you. Mostly junk food, chips, Takis if you like Takis. The dulces. They're really yummy, but they're not very nutritious for your body. They don't really do too good at things for your body. Nutrients nourish the body in two ways. I'm covering again. They provide energy and help the body run smoothly. So, yeah, let's keep going. I'm gonna move myself again. I'm just in the way. Okay. Proteins, carbohydrates, and fats are examples of nutrients that provide energy. If you've ever heard of anybody that maybe eats a lot of carbs, and maybe weight lifts a lot, it's because the carbs help them burn, help them have the energy to burn, especially if they're really muscular. If you've heard of actors that have to get really muscular and bulk up for roles or for movies, they eat a lot of protein, chicken, meat, eggs. They eat a lot and they work out a lot too, so that helps build their muscle. Vitamins, minerals, and water are examples of nutrients that help the body run well. So just a few things that help the body run well. I don't know if we talked about this in class. What is the vitamin that helps if you're sick? What is the specific vitamin? Do you remember? Do you know what it's called? The vitamin. I haven't gone over it, but it's kind of a common knowledge thing. What is a vitamin that you usually eat if you are sick? You have like vitamin A, you have vitamin B, vitamin D, vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin K. It's actually vitamin C. So if you've ever been sick, if they have you drink orange juice or strawberries, actually have a lot of vitamin C. Vitamin C helps your immune system or your system, the system that helps you to get better. Helps kind of give it extra energy so that you can get better. Nutrition is the study of nutrients and how the body uses them. Okay, so just comment. See, sorry, my computer's kind of laggy today. I think the connection's bad. And I'm in the way, always. All right. Appetite and hunger. Okay, appetite is the psychological desire for food. So it's not necessarily that your body is hungry, but you're in your mind, you're like, I want food. Okay, appetite can be tied in with certain memories. For example, certain smells bring up memories of people or places. I know for me, if I smell like a really good burger place, like a Apollo Burger or Crown Burger, that reminds me of a hamburger place that I used to go to when I was younger. And that kind of brings up a lot of memories because on the weekends we would do yard work, and then after the yard work, my dad would take us to eat, and we'd go to a burger place. And so those like burgers on the grill, that they remind me of that memory. Hunger is the body's physical need for food. So if you're hungry, your body's going to let you know that you're hungry. You could get a stomach ache. your stomach could growl, make noises, or sometimes you get a headache. I know for me, sometimes when I don't eat, I kind of have a headache. Mainly, it's become more of that my stomach makes a lot of noises because it's hungry. It's important to learn to tell the difference between appetite and hunger so that you will know why you eat. Again, something that I said to the class. Appetite is the want to eat. Hunger is the need to eat. So you want to remember that. Appetite is the want to eat, and hunger is the need to eat. Um, so understanding the difference will help you make a healthier choices when it comes to satisfying your need for food. So then and then we'll talk about a little bit more of that, like your satisfying needs for if you're hungry or if you need satisfying your needs with food. Food and emotions. Emotions also influence your food choices. Foods bring up feelings connected to past experiences, which can lead to cravings. So, like I said, um, that memory of me growing up, you think about that, and you're like, man, hamburger does sound good. You crave, you want that, you want the hamburger. Cravings can be especially strong when people feel sad, lonely, or discouraged, and can lead to unhealthy eating habits and weight problems. Or, in other words, you eat your feelings. Um, let's say you break up with someone, you're really sad, and a friend brings by chocolates or brings by like chips or something to help you feel better. Usually, in those situations, we tend to eat like a lot of junk because we don't feel good about like those things. Those things help. Those things comfort us. They help us feel like that's something like sweet or something like that. So you enjoy it more. But anyway, I think that's it for today. Please make sure that you're watching the videos and taking notes for the quiz Friday. Thank you so much, and you'll be seeing me in the next couple days with our next lesson. Bye.